Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to revoke an existing workflow in JOC Cockpit. Revoking a workflow removes the deployed workflow from the controller, while the workflow itself still remains available in the inventory. Alright, let's get started. First, click on Configuration tab. From the Tree panel on the left side, expand your folder structure. Here I am using Context Video folder, which is nested under User folder. Navigate to your folder and expand the controller. Under Controller, click on Workflow. The workflows available in that folders are displayed on the right side of the screen. Let's select the deployed workflow named Sample Deploy. Once the workflow is selected, the graphical view opens. At the top of the workflow editor, you can see the workflow is currently deployed. Now click Revoke option from Action menu. This opens Revoke pop-up window. If you're fine with the default values, you can simply click Submit to revoke the workflow immediately. But let's quickly explore all fields. For that, click on Show More option. You will see Revoke window expand and display additional field to configure your revocation. The Revoke window is divided into mainly two sections, Target and Dependencies. Each field in section also includes a tooltip that provides a quick explanation of the related options. Apart from the tooltip, the context help represented by eye icon provides more detailed information and can guide you to the product knowledge base if you want to explore the feature further. At the top under the Target section, you can see the selected controller from which the workflow will be revoked. More than one controller can be connected to the JOC Cockpit. To revoke an object, make sure it has been deployed to the selected controller. By default, currently selected controller is used. Next comes Dependencies section. Here you can see the message indicating that selected object will be revoked from the controller, but they still remain available in the inventory. The first option is Include Dependencies. This controls whether deployed objects should be revoked together with the workflow. We have three options here: All, this revoke all referencing and referenced object recursively. Then Enforced, this will revoke objects that are directly referencing or are referenced by a selected object. None, this revokes only selected workflow. For this example, we will continue with all selected. Next is Manage Dependencies. When enabled, JOC Cockpit automatically handles dependent object during revocation. Then we have Show Related Objects. When enabled, it displays only related objects that are not directly dependent on each other, such as workflow that use the same job resource. As you can see here, this workflow references multiple objects such as job resource, schedules, notice board. This helps verify which dependent objects are also included in the revocation process. Once everything looks correct, click on Submit button. The workflow is now revoked successfully from the controller. From the left tree panel, you can notice that workflow is no longer marked as deployed. And at the end, you can check the tab of the workflow that it is not deployed. It appears orange. And that's it. You have successfully revoked the workflow in JOC Cockpit. Thank you for watching.